Well, it's time for an update on the progress of the pond. I've been hard at work here. I'm not quite done. Still got a few more rocks to place around it and some gravel, but I'll show what I've done so far and the progression from the last video where I was digging a hole. So I'll turn you guys around so you can see what's going on with the pond. Alright, so here we are. Let me get out the sunlight. So I still have to fill in some more rocks and gravel around the outside, but so far things are coming along well. Let me do a wide shot so you can see the whole pond. I'll be adding fish next year since it's too cold now to add fish. They're already going into hibernation, but so far things are looking good, I think. You guys let me know what you think. So my waterfall over here. Great sound. Still have to landscape around it, but I won't do that until I'm done putting all the rocks in place. As you can see, I got rocks scattered all over the place here. I love that water bubble right there. Even though it does cause water loss when the wind's blowing, it does look lovely. But things are looking good. Let's zoom in on the waterfall from this angle here. Once I plant around, I got some moss in the cracks over there, so I'm hoping it fills up the inside of this rock here. So zoom out. This is the seating area where we sit normally out here for a fire pit. So water and fire, what we humans thrive off of. So you can see the angle back here. And you hear that great sound of the waterfall. I'll be doing more updates as I go along. So I'll come to this side here, looking back. So that's a look right there from this angle when you're coming into the backyard. And I picked out this cool rock here that looks like a dinosaur head. I put it right here where you're walking in towards the back. Well, let me know what you guys think of my progression so far and how things are coming along. Leave some comments. I love the support. Here's some feedback. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.